Hey guys, so we now have one day until the show. It's tomorrow on Sunday, and this is what the car looks like before we take her. So the boot, I'm sure you'll agree, is a massive improvement on what it looks like when we got the car. The interior, door cars look beautiful, the dashboard looks amazing, and the seats also look very smart and they're surprisingly comfortable as well for a track car, which is what Lotus are known for. But she looks lovely in the sun. We gave her a polish today and took her out for a run. So have a look at the run, and I'm sure you'd agree she sounds amazing.